Konnichiwa, senpai. Welcome back to my channel. Watashi wa Jessica Senpai desu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Kung bago na po kayo sa aking channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon para ma-notify kayo from my upcoming uploads. So, before ako proceed sa aking topic, I would like to express my gratitude sa aking mga kapatid, which is super supportive with my vlog and pinapromote nila kung saan-saan. So, yun. So, for today's topic, we have the difference between Nani Ta Tokoro and Ta Bakari. So, these two is almost the same yung meaning, which is just did. So, katatapos lang gawin or mangyari. But, there are still difference between the two. So, in order for me to elaborate this topic, I will proceed to my presentation. Konnichiwa again, senpai. So, for today's topic, we have difference between Nani Ta Tokoro and Ta Bakari. So, natapos ko na yung lahat ng pattern in terms of time relationship series. So, now I would like to differentiate yung dalawang halos magkaparehong meaning. Yung just did ng Bakari and just did din ng Tokoro. Okay, let's start. Start muna tayo sa definition ng dalawa. Nani Ta Tokoro is the speaker or the doer have just done an action. So, katatapos lang daw niya gawin yung action. Sa Ta Bakari naman is just did something. So, halos same lang din. Ang Ta Tokoro is katatapos lang din and ang Bakari is katatapos lang din. Pero, saan sila nagkaiba? Sa Ta Tokoro, ang minimin dito ng speaker is yung action is nangyari at that moment na sinabi niya yung action na ginawa niya. Okay? Sa Ta Bakari naman, ang Ta Bakari is pwede siyang gamitin ng recently na nangyari ang isang action or recently na ginawa niya yung action. It may be days, it may be weeks, or months ago na nangyari yung isang action. Basta para sa kanya, is recently lang na nangyari yung action na yun, or yung pangyayari na yun. Okay? Okay, we have here examples for Nani Tokoro. Kareshi to hanasu tokoro desu. Ang ibig sabihin nitong sentence na to, she is about to talk to her boyfriend. So, future tense yung ginamit dito. So, dito, sa tokoro is tama siya. Pwede yung hanasu tokoro. Sige, we have kareshi to hanashiteru tokoro. Hanashiteru tokoro, ibig sabihin is ito kasi is present progressive. Ibig sabihin is kasulukuyang nangyayari na kinakausap niya yung kanyang boyfriend, yung kanyang kareshi. So, sa tokoro is tama pa rin siya. Pwede. Sige, we have kareshi to hanashita tokoro desu. Kapag hanashita tokoro desu, ibig sabihin katatapos lang niyang makipag-usap sa kanyang boyfriend. So, tama pa rin siya. Tama pa rin yung sentence na yun. Okay? So, pwede ang tokoro sa future tense, present progressive, at saka sa past tense. Okay? Ang Bakari naman, Nani Bakari, we have here, ganun ulit na sentence. Kareshi to hanasu Bakari desu. Kapag ito ang ginamit natin na hanasu Bakari desu, is hindi siya pwede. Grammatically wrong siya. Kasi, kumbaga, nonsense siya. Kasi ang Bakari is parang just did. Kumbaga, past. Hindi siya pwede sa future. Okay? Sige. We have kareshi to hanashiteru bakari desu. Kapag hanashte bakari, ibig sabihin is present progressive siya. Pero, yung kasunod niyang pattern is bakari, nagko-contradict yung dalawa. Kasi, ang bakari nga is, ibig sabihin is just did. And, present progressive is nangyayari sa kasalukuyan at patuloy na nangyayari. So, we have the past and the present progressive. So, contradicting siya, kaya siya ay mali. Sige, we have kareshito hanashita bakari desu. Kapag hanashita bakari desu, ibig sabihin ay nakipag-usap siya sa kanyang boyfriend. So, tapos na, recently lang na nangyari na nakipag-usap siya sa kanyang boyfriend. Hindi naman siya specify na katatapos lang talaga nila at that moment. Pwede din siya mga ilang oras na nakalipas or ilang araw na nakalilipas. Okay? So, tama siya. Okay? So, ang bakari ay pwede lang siyang gamitin sa past form. Hindi katulad ng tokoro na pwede siya sa future, pwede siya sa present progressive, at pwede siya sa past form. Sige. Okay, we have here 2 sentences na ginamit ang tokoro and ang bakari at the same construction ng sentence. Nihon ni kita tokoro desu. Sa baba, Nihon ni kita bakari desu. As you can see, pareho ang kanilang English translation na I've just arrived in Japan. Pero, magdi-differ sila sa ibig nilang sabihin. Kapag Nihon ni kita tokoro desu ang sinabi niya, at that moment, kararating lang niya ng Japan. Kumbaga, parang kalalapag lang ng eroplano sa Japan or kabababa lang niya ng eroplano sa Japan. Tapos, sinabi niya na Nihon ni kita tokoro desu. Sige, we have Nihon ni kita bakari desu. Same din siya ng meaning na I've just arrived in Japan. Pero, ang kita bakari is pwede din siyang, ang minimin mo is, nakarating ka na, recently lang, nakarating ka, pero it may be days or weeks or months ago. Okay? Hindi mo lang minimin na at that moment ka dumating. Okay? Sige. We have same ulit. We have for tokoro and bakari. Okay? Kuno pasukon o kata tokoro desu. So, dito, ang minimin mo is, at that moment, I've just bought this computer. Kakatapos mo lang bilhin yung computer. Sa baba naman, we have kuno pasukon o kata bakari desu. At dito naman sa kata bakari desu is pwede mong sabihin din na I've just bought this computer. Pero we can use some time expressions. Like dito sa taas, pwede natin gamitin ng tataima, just now, or ngayon, kabibili ko lang ng personal computer na ito. Okay? Sa bakari naman, we can use sengetsu. Example lang to Marami naman kasing time expressions na pwedeng gamitin. So, sengetsu, kuno pasukon o kata bakari desu. So, last month daw, di niya binimin dito na kabibili lang niya at that moment ng computer. Okay? So, yun sila mag-differ yung tokoro and bakari. Hi! Wari desu? So, as I've said kanina, meron tayong short quiz. So, all you have to do here is to determine kung ano ang dapat gamitin na pattern, tokoro or bakari. I will give you 1 minute or 1分だけ to answer these questions. Your time starts now. はい、時間です。答えましょう。1番。たった今、食べた、blank です。Ta ima is just now. Tabeta is past form ng nakakain. To eat. Okay? So, we have the clue word tataima. So, since ang ibig sabihin nun is at that very moment or at that moment, nakakain na siya or kakatapos lang niya kumain, meaning, we have to use the tokoro. Tataima, tabita tokoro desu. So, kakatapos lang daw niyang kumain. 2番、さっき名前を切ったblank desu ga mo wasureta. Saki is recently, namai is name, o kita. Pwede din siyang kikimas is to hear or kita na parang tinanong mo yung pangalan niya. Desu ga mo wasureta. Mo is already, wasuremas is to forgot or to forget. So, yun, nakalimutan daw niya. And, since hindi naman siya nagsabi ng specific time and hindi naman siya mukhang at that moment na nangyari, so, at that moment na tinanong niya yung pangalan, kaya we are going to use the bakari. Recently lang na, sabi niya dito, saki namai o kita bakari desu ga mo wasureta. Ibig sabihin, recently lang naman daw niya na natanong or narinig yung pangalan nung taong yon, pero nakalimutan na niya kaagad. Sangbang, tataima shigoto wa uwatta blank desu. So, we have ulit the clue word tataima. So, we are going to use the tokoro. Tataima shigoto wa uwatta tokoro desu. Shigoto is work, uwatta or uwarimasu is finished. Sabi niya, just now, I've just finished my work. So, hai, yongbang. Jinki-san wa kotoshi no sangatsu Citizen no kaisha ni haita blank desu. Sa sentence na to, si Jinki-san ang ating topic. And then, wa kotoshi. Kotoshi is this year. No sangatsu. Sangatsu is March. Citizen is a name of a company. No kaisha. Kaisha is company. Ni haita. Hairimasu is to enter. So, pag ginawa nating past form, since it is a group 1, we have to cancel the ri and mas sa hairimasu and turn it into chisaitsu plus ta. Kaya naging haita. Okay. So, since ang sentence na to, ang sinabi yung time ng action. So, kotoshi no sangatsu. So, for example, today or this month is shichigatsu. Shichigatsu in English is July. So, since kung July na ngayon and March nangyari yung action, syempre, past na siya. Nangyari na siya sa past. So, and since ang tokoro is ginagamit sa katatapos lang at that moment na action, so, ibig sabihin, we cannot use the tokoro. So, the answer is bakari. Jinki-san wa kotoshi no sangatsu Citizen no kaisha ni haita bakari desu. So, in English, Jinki just entered the Citizen company this March. Okay? Saigo, gobang. You have ototoy ryoshin kara ukani o muratta blank desu. So, ototoy is the day before yesterday, 2 days ago. So, ryoshin is parents. Ryoshin kara is from my parents. Okane is money o muratta. Muraimasu is to receive. Kapag ginawang past tense is since group 1 siya, we have to cancel the e and mas sa muraimasu and turn it into chisaitsu plus ta. So, magiging muratta. Okay. Since the sentence din naman na to, in-specify din yung time of action. Nangyari siya, ototoy. So, 2 days ago. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya nangyari at that moment na sinabi niya yung action na ginawa niya. So, ang gagamitin natin is bakari. Ototoy, ryoshin kara okane o muratta bakari desu. So, in English, I just got some money from my parents the day before yesterday. So, katatanggap lang daw niya ng pera mula sa kanyang mga magulang nung nakaraang araw. Kumbaga, parang para sa kanya is, bago pa lang na nangyari yung action na yun, or bago pa lang siya binigyan ng pera ng kanyang mga magulang, kahit na ilang araw na ang nakalilipas. Okay? So, that will be all for today, Senpai. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimashita. Otsukare sama deshita.